So I just scored the deal of the century. I mean, like, this thing is astronomical. So, like most of you, I've been looking at the Pocket 3 the whole year since it's been out. I saw a deal that I just could not simply refuse. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what the deal was, where I got it from, what came in it. Let's get into it. So what was this deal, you might ask? Well, let me show you. So I got this. Look, this is the Pocket 3. This comes with the SD card and the battery handle. Now, I got this from Sam's Club. And why is this a deal? Okay, brand new on DJI's website, the Osmo Pocket 3 is $519. The battery handle is about $69 and the SD card is $17. So if you put all those things together, you come up with a grand total of about $584. Refurbished, this thing is still, $498. Guess how much I paid for that whole bundle? I paid $498, and that's from Sam's Club. So I got a brand new Pocket 3 and the battery handle and an SD card for the same price I would pay for a refurbished one. You can't beat that with a bat. You just can't. So what came in the bundle? First thing is, of course, you get the Pocket 3. So that's this, and it's what it is. You also get the protective case with the Pocket 3, and here you go. And it's really sturdy and stiff, and the inside is like, I guess, felt line, and it has magnets in here for certain filters that you can get. Also, you get this. This is the handle. Now, this is a short one, so don't judge me. My stickers, I like to keep my stuff on. I'll take it off eventually. But this is for screwing things in the bottom. So see how we have that screw hole there? Let me cover up my face so you can see it. So you have that and the USB. So you plug this in, you can put it on a tripod or anything like that, and it allows you to use the Pocket with all types of things. And finally, you get the wrist strap. Now, let me tell you a trick about this wrist strap. I'm not gonna lie. At first I had trouble with this, but I realized there's a certain direction you have to do it for it to work. Like if you try to, well, let me show you. So these two little holes right here, and you can see them right there. That's how you put it on. Now, if you try to come from the bottom with this, like threading this needle in the bottom, you will have a hard time. You have to stick it in from the top and then loop down, and then it'll work. So that's my tip for the day, boys and girls. So give it a try. But that's what you get in the box with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's talk about the thing that sealed the deal for me. This is the whole reason why I bought this combo, and it's this. See, this is the battery handle. And of course, it's just a battery with the 1/4-inch thread at the bottom, so you can attach various materials to the Pocket 3. Now, the thing that's special about this is that this is a 950 milliamp hour battery. So basically on their website, DJI says that this battery handle adds about 62% power to the Pocket 3. So let me show you what happens when you plug in the battery handle. So when you had the Pocket 3 on, the battery handle can be plugged in at any time. So you see that? So you have the charge of the battery handle and the battery itself, and it uses the battery handle first before it uses the power on the actual Pocket. So that's why I like this, because this battery here is rated for about 2 hours worth of use. With the battery handle, you can get another hour. And that sounds like a lot, but when you're out filming and you may not be turning on and off, that power drains quickly. And if you don't have a power bank or extra battery with you, you're going to be very upset. And I didn't want to be upset. So when you install the battery handle, this tells you the power of the battery handle and the power of the Pocket 3. So just by touching the battery icon, you can see what everything is. So let's take a look at that. You see that? Can't beat it. Who is the Pocket 3 made for? Of course, vloggers. So if you have to record yourself this is perfect because it can track you. It's small, so you can take it out in public and not have to worry about people staring at you. The sound quality is pretty good. So if you vlog, this is perfect. If you're in the studio, this is perfect. So anybody that makes content. But I will warn you, there is a learning curve. As with anything, the more advanced things that you have, the more you have to learn. So for instance, the trick with the ISO, just to learn. Using ND filters, you have to learn it. Using connected microphones and setting gain levels and all of that, you have to learn it. How to walk with it, so the bobbing and moving, you have to learn it. And for me, using the gimbal, look, for most people, it's not easy. It wasn't even easy for me. And I don't even think, I still don't have it. So you have to like go out and practice with this. So if this is your first camera, I don't know if you should buy this right away. Maybe get one of the refurbished action cameras so you can learn how to use lighting and everything like that. And it has internal stabilization. As a matter of fact, I'm still going to use mine while I'm walking because it's buttery smooth. Now, if you want to hear some of the pros and cons, what I thought about the device, click on one of these videos up here. I'll talk about what's good about it, what's not so good about it, and maybe they can help you make your decision. So anyway, final thoughts, excellent device, is a learning curve. All of the features are top notch. They work well, but it's up to you. I can't tell you what to buy, but it's up to you. So if you're willing to do the learning curve, or if you already know a lot, go ahead and buy it, especially if you got the moolah. If you don't, then maybe you can go with something else. So anyway, that's all I got. So as always, I love y'all and see you later. I'm out.